Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I have the Cubot X18 Plus. This is a super budget smartphone, and at this moment in time it's only £96 on GearBest. So really cheap. It's 33% off, and I think there's only about 2 days left from the day of this video. So here's the box. I'm not too sure what that's all about, but the phone from here looks quite promising with narrow bezels. On the back we have some specs, and it reveals quite a lot here. So we have a 6-inch Full HD Plus display, octa-core processor, dual SIM, 2 Nano SIMs, or 1 Nano SIM and a micro SD card, fingerprint sensor, 4GB of RAM, 64GB of storage, rear dual cameras, 20 megapixel and 2 megapixel, Android 8, which this is the first budget smartphone we've had with Android 8. It's 4G, and it has a 4000 milliamp battery. All this for just over £100. Let's see what it's all about then. I've never had that before, a demo. Right, let's flick the phone out, put it to one side, manuals, SIM tray tool, a standard Cubot charging block, and micro USB cable. Okay, it comes with a silicone case. Let's take that off. Let's take this off. Just have a screen protector as well. I'll remove that. Cool, very nice. Looking good. Swing around to the back. We have another bit to peel off there. And here we go. So this is available in black and blue. Obviously I have the black. Feels plastic. Yeah, it's definitely a plastic back. So there we have the fingerprint scanner at the top, the dual rear camera 20 megapixel and 2 megapixel, flashlight there as well. On the side, volume rocker up and down and power button. On the top we have a headphone port. They haven't done away with that, which is good. On the side there we have SIM tray, and at the bottom micro USB port with speaker and microphone. And on the front they have a 13 megapixel front facing camera and a little bit cut out for the speaker or for the earpiece. It looks nice, a nice design. Metal frame. It's not too thick, doesn't feel too heavy either. Let's see and have a look at the Android 8 on here. Okay, let me just set this up. Okay, so here we have it, guys. I'm not too fond of the wallpaper. You can't really see the clock there. The white looks quite overexposed. This is the full HD Plus display, and it is very nice. Icons looking nice and sharp. This is very much stock Android as well. There is no bloatware, which is another good thing. There is a wireless update available. Minor bug fixes. Again, they never really go into much detail. We have the navigation bar there, which can be collapsible. But why didn't that? Right, okay. There we go. So the navigation bar is collapsible. Have LED notification, charging, battery low and event miss, so missed calls or unread messages. Yeah, look, we're on Android 8, which is a plus point for this smartphone. I have enabled the fingerprint sensor, which is just on the back, and that's not too bad. Just a little tap, and it's pretty responsive and pretty quick as well, so that's good. Okay, let's take a look at this camera then. Make sure, just change all the settings to 16:9. It's on 20 megapixel, which is good. Okay. Switch to video mode. 1080p, we have EIS as well, electric image stabilization. Let's put that on, shall we? And go. Wow, okay. Wow, that's dodgy. What? So I'll move the phone to the right, and it moves afterwards. Look. So here we go again. That is weird. That was EIS on. I'll move the phone to the right, and it moves afterwards. Look. So here we go again. That is weird. That was EIS on. So it doesn't seem EIS works very well. Let's turn that off and record a normal one. Okay, that's better. See? So testing the Cubot X18 Plus, video quality and audio quality. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, guys. Front facing camera. Again, let's do 16:9, 13 megapixel, that's right. Okay. Done, let's switch to video. That's 720p. That also has EIS on. Let's try EIS on the front facing video, see if it's the same. Go. Yeah, it is. Oh my god. That's quite terrible. So, move it down. Moves down after. So let's stop that. Turn EIS off. Yeah, it is. Oh my god. That's quite terrible. So, move it down. Move down after. So it's safe to say EIS is not very good. Okay. Front facing camera on the Cubot. Let's get straight in here. Doesn't look too bad, looks a little bit washed out. Doesn't look too vibrant on there. But it is a super budget smartphone, remember that. Okay. So we're on YouTube now. This is the full HD Plus display. It's 2160 by 1080p and it is a screen ratio of 18:9. And this is probably one of the best things about it actually. Pinch zoom, so that is compatible. You can pinch zoom into there. But the screen is really nice. I really like that. Excellent screen, especially for the price you're paying for. Big thumbs up. Okay, so this is an audio test. So you can cover the audio quite well. There's a bit of bleed in there. I've definitely heard better in terms of sound quality. It's not that great. Not that great, really. But again, it's a super budget smartphone. So guys, this concludes the unboxing of the Cubot X18 Plus and a very, very brief look. If I look at the camera looks okay for a £100 phone. Obviously it looks like the EIS doesn't work very well at all on there. There's some sort of issue there. The plus point though is the display. It's a really, really good display for the price. There's 4,000 milliamp battery in there, so hopefully there's decent battery life in there. Obviously running on Android 8. Hopefully there's some good optimization when it comes to battery, which I will be testing out. Nice narrow bezels at the edge there. Relatively small bottom and top bezel as well. Fingerprint magnet on the back though, but when they're all buffered off, it does look like a really, really nice phone. But if you're on a budget, it doesn't look like a bad choice at all. Please check the links in the description below. There are affiliate links, so we'll get a small commission if you do purchase through there. If you have any comments, then please comment below. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.